Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel. And in the news today, we have Intel that has RealSense technology update. So Intel RealSense is the face recognition devices. So they issue a lot of cameras, for example, of webcams that actually have RealSense capabilities and that are used for facial recognition. So you can log into your system, say in Windows, for example, with face recognition using a camera like that. They updated their RealSense with more power. So the new update of RealSense and the cameras that will come with it are now more open to different changes. One of the biggest problems of RealSense is people having problems getting in when they had glasses or no glasses, or if you had a beard, no beard. It didn't really recognize you, so it didn't work well. Apparently, it's much better at this. So if you grow facial hair, if you have glasses on or not, if you have different lighting capabilities, so maybe you're in the sunlight or at home in dark, like a darker environment and so on, it's much better at still working and recognizing. And they added also something that users, of course, there's a lot of concern of privacy when we use these devices. And one of them is the use of, because it's privacy concerned, so it's actually stored on your local device. That means there's no sending of any information on the internet. The image of your scans of your face are on your device and encrypted. So that means that there's really nobody that can have access except you to all of that information for logging in with your face information, which I think is important because, there's that. We're getting a little scared right now with, everything that is facial recognition and our own privacy, actually. So they're actually working on that and making sure that this is privacy centered and that it works in most conditions. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.